Second game naman mga idol, bakbakang rain or shine ni Last 2 Painters naman at Converge Fiber. Number 1 sa standing ang Ross with 2-0 record, habang isang panalo isang talo ang Converge. Gagamitin na nila Coach Alden Ayo kanilang import na si Scotty Hobson. Pero hindi naging problema yan para kay Coach Cheng Kiao dahil dinominan nila itong unang quarter. Tinambakan agad ng 21 puntos ang Converge matapos umiscore ng 38 points at bigyan lang ng 17 points ang Fiber.
Kontra itong rain or shine Last 2 Painters, especially their head coach, the iconic
NCAA to UAAP, now PBA. Alley-oop here.
Transition.
Oh my gosh, almost.
Kicks it out. They are to Winston. Last break once again.
Wow, rejected.
But Noko.
Aaron once again. Jump hook is good.
Big here in the Philippines.
Alex Stockton for 3 for Converge, right? Sa PBA.
Louis Gonzalez. And
Miggy, coach.
Santos. He drives. Gian Mamuyag.
Makmo for 3.
Uno. Karakot. Lumilipat na yung Coach Cholo Ilihina dati.
Ako na naman.
Second quarter mga idol, kontrolado pa rin ang rain or shine ng laban. Napanghawakan pa rin nila ang double digit na kalamangan. Hindi pa masyadong nararamdaman itong import ng Converge Fiber.
Kontra itong si Francis Escat.
Good drive, nice pass from
unselfish basketball. Bear Karakot. Another same spot. Stockton, Team Norwood, and the clock still winding down. Hobson,
nice move.
Mark Borboran, the veteran, back. Scotty Hobson, what a spin, but a better. Sean Winston, Sean
Livingston.
Yeah. Here comes 56-40.
Oh, yun. Just adjusting, like I said.
Is there Adrian Nogom, fake Adrian Nugom, jumper, yes.
Third quarter, umiinit na si Coach Cheng Kiao. Technical matapos pagsisigawan ng mga referee. Sumubok na dumikit ang Converge Fiber. Scotty Hobson, wing 3-pointer, pero laging may bawi agad ang rain or shine. Leading by Aaron Fuller at naiangat pa nila sa 24 kanilang lead mula sa 3 points buzzer beater ni Andre Karakut. 91-67 end of third quarter. Fourth quarter, nagka-momentum ang Converge Fiber. Naibaba nila sa 11 kanilang inabol under 5 minutes, 104-93. Pero Andre Karakut, stress na naman. Lagi nang may bawi ang Ross sa mga pinapakawalan ng Converge. Sa dulo, matagumpay na nakuha ng rain or shine ng panalo. Aabante sila sa finals mga idol at makakatapat muli ang Lasal Green Archers.